NED Micro introducing Loupdeck plugin. You can control the entire NED with this intuitive device. You won't believe how easy it is. Focusing, don't worry. With the wheel, it's very easy. One button for each function. Look. Third page, slides preview. Move around. First page, objectives. 2x. Focusing. 4x. Combined with the mouse, the perfect match. Crosshair, okay. Correct focus while moving in real time. Change objective. I know, this is very good. See how I correct with my left hand while I move with my right. Great right. Micrometric or macrometric. Take a snapshot. Digital zoom. These knobs are for camera settings. Contrast, saturation, hue, brightness, you choose. Coloring, and much more. Imagine yourself with the NED Micro. Bye.